in this video I'm going to show you how to play this hymn tune Carlisle. It's also known as the first line, Breathe on me, breath of God. We'll start with the first phrase. It starts with C. So C, G, C, E, D, C, B, C. Just notice you need to turn your finger here. And the left hand is straightforward, you only need to press C twice. Yeah, so. For the second phrase, as you want to play ED, you can either move your fingers down or move your bottom to up slightly. I personally prefer to move the top down. As opposed to, but either way it will work. And for the left hand, I only need to play F and G. And for the next phrase, so we got quite a few run of 3 notes. Yeah, I recommend we use the middle finger for the first longer note, so that towards the end you can reach your top C with your right hand. And on the left hand, you only need to play C and G. And lastly, you do C, stretch an octave. Now we can add some depth to this accompaniment. So instead of playing C, C, F, G, we'll play C chord, C chord, F chord, G chord. Yeah. So. For the second line, I have C, G, C. Thank you very much for watching.